Hi there. Welcome to the step-by-step guide on customizing the cuttable pin loop included with your Supernote Manta device. Before we start, here's an important tip. The original size of the cuttable pin loop is designed to fit larger pins, like the Lamy All-Star series. If you are using a pin of this size, there's no need to cut the pin loop. Simply skip ahead to the installation chapter to learn how to attach it to your Supernote. If you're using a medium-sized pin, like the Heart of Metal series, you'll need to cut off one section of the pin loop. For a smaller pin, such as the Supernote standard push-up pin, cut off two sections. Remember, always cut from one side of the loop if you need to remove more sections in future. However, we don't recommend cutting more than two sections, as this could leave insufficient space to securely attach the loop to your device. Before cutting the new pin loop, you'll need to remove the original one. Start by using the screwdriver included in the package to unscrew the two screws here and set it aside for safekeeping. Once the screws are removed, gently pull out the original pin loop. Be sure to store them safely so you don't lose them. Now you're ready to move on to the next step. Now, let me walk you through how to cut the pin loop. Grab a pair of scissors, and for the first section, make your cut right in the middle of the two holes between the first and second columns. If you need to remove a second section, cut in the middle of the holes between the second and third columns. And remember, always cut from the same side as your previous cut. After cutting the pin loop, fold the pin loop in half with the shinier side facing out, or it's your choice if you prefer the side with a matte finish facing out. Fold it and carefully align the holes on both ends to ensure a perfect fit. Next, gently insert the pin loop into its housing compartment. Take your time to ensure the holes on the loop align perfectly with the screw holes on the device. Once aligned, put the two screws back in its place and you're all set to go. And that's all for how to customize your cuttable pin loop. See you next time.